Now, as I told you, the dough is ready for making the katti roll, and I have cut tomatoes and pyaj for the sabji. This is onion and paneer. Diet conscious people can have tofu paneer. Then all the vegetables that I had kept, I have cut it into small pieces. One bit of cauliflower, one little piece of capsicum, one chota aloo, then 2 beans, carrots, mutton. This is ready. Now I am going to switch on the gas and use whatever cooking oil you use. I use gingerly oil as I told you. So I am going to pour not much, okay? It should be exactly 1 spoon, not more than that. 1 or maximum 1.5 spoon. Now I have washed everything and kept. So the first sabji that will go into this, nothing is there, just oil is getting heated. Even if it is not getting heated, I am going to add this pyaj in that, okay? So the pyaj goes here because I want the pyaj to cook a little, otherwise it will give some raw smell, okay? So the pyaj is getting mixed. As it is getting mixed, I'll put 1 pinch of salt into it, okay? Because it will help it to cook fast. So I'm just going on stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt. But at the same time, it will. Please don't mind, I keep making such a noise because it's a typical South Indian way of cooking. The vessel is also South Indian vessel, but the taste will be fantastic. Yeah, the onion is almost ready. I don't wait for it to turn to brown. Only thing it has to gather and come together. Now this paneer pieces which I have kept. So this is ready. Paneer we won't cook much. Just it should blend with the onion. It's done. I'm going to remove this into a vessel and keep it aside. Now, I put this vessel back on the gas stove. Again, half a spoon of oil, okay, because it will become very oily. Half a spoon because I have to add all these vegetables that I have cut and kept, okay. Now, for this, I am going to add salt to taste. I will not insist that you should put this much, that much, up to you. For me, for these vegetables, the amount I have cut must be around 250 grams or 300 grams. For that, I'll take 1 small spoon of salt, okay. Then, I put hing so that you don't feel heavy. Hing I have added. Very little chilli powder, not much, very little I am going to add. See? Right? Another important thing is you should have even sambar powder. Now, all the vegetables I have cut it and kept it separately just to show you. It's not necessary you should leave it separately, you can put it together. Now I am putting all these vegetables into this vessel so that it can cook nicely. As I am doing it live, you will have to be a little patient because it's going to take time to cook. Okay. Now once this is ready, because they are vegetables, I want to pour about a 1/4 glass of water. Then I put it on sim. Not because I want it to cook slowly, because I have to add other ingredients also. So next comes haldi. We add haldi in everything. Simple reason is it is very good for your health and it protects you from, it gives you immunity, right? So haldi I put a little more because it's good, that's right. More means what? 1/4 spoon. Done. For this vegetable, that time I added little salt for that. For this I have to, I've added little salt, little more, so that it blends together. So it's getting ready. Wait, no? It's going to be fantastic. Very delicious. You'll love it. I'm putting this dhakkan on this. Meanwhile, sabji, tomato ki sabji. This tomato ki sabji is such a useful dish. Very simple, very simple. See, I cut only half a piyaj and one big tomato. This will come one big vessel full of sabji, which we can use for roti, bread, upma, idli, name it. It can be used for that. Again, 1 or half a teaspoon of oil. As the oil is getting heated, I am putting jeera. As it is heated, I am not waiting for it to get heated. As it is getting jeera, about quarter spoon. Jeera, you know, no? That's now this sabji is almost because we have cut the vegetables into small pieces. It will cook very fast. That's why I put it on slow fire. Okay. Now this tomato ki sabji, what I have to add is rai also. I put jeera. I have to add rai. Rai is kadugu. Okay. This is sambar powder which I make at home. I'll teach you how to make sambar powder at home also, because we don't know whether we can get it from the chakki these days because of this COVID. I'll teach you how to make sambar powder at home in your mixie, and you can store it for 1 month. It will be exactly like how you get it grounded from the chakki. Okay. Now in this sabji, first I am going to put, as this rai crackles, I'll add the piyaj, onion. On the tomato side, this is my sambar powder, about more than half a spoon sambar powder. That is the trick in that. Because sambar powder has got jeera, name it, everything is there. Dhania, red chili, everything is there. Okay, so then I'm going to add a little bit of haldi. Haldi on the tomato side. Then I have to add this salt into 2 total, one in the piyaj side, one on the tomato side. Yeah. So this thing is crackled. Haldi. Also, I think I put haldi. No, in tomato sabji I didn't put haldi. Yeah, I have. Okay. So it has crackled. So I am going to put the piyaj into this oil. First piyaj, so that the raw smell of the piyaj goes. Okay. Yeah, it's getting ready now. Now I put the tomato also in there. बस सब्जी तैयार हो गया. So easy to make. Almost ready, because when you are cutting it into small pieces, that's the advantage. It will get cooked very fast. And you can either make it liquid or solid. Why I say solid is you can put it in between 2 slices of bread, close it and eat. Now because it is roti, you may like to have it slightly liquid. Slightly, not much. So I am putting half a glass of water for it to mix and cook. I have to put it in sim. So I am going to put this sabji back into that bigger gas, because the sabji is almost done. This is tomato sabji that is getting ready to go with the kati roll. See, don't think it's a big job. Nothing. You keep the vegetable ready, and you don't have to cut a lot of vegetables. I know it's very difficult to even cut vegetables in the morning with such a lot of office work. Also, many of you are working from home. It's very, very difficult. So it's okay. That's why I said little, 1 potato, 1 piyaz, like that. It's more than enough for a family of 4. Okay. Wow. It's looking very delicious. The sabji is very, very delicious. Okay. Now what I am going to do in this sabji also, I will add half a spoon of sambar powder, because it has got dhania also. Instead of putting chili powder separately and dhania powder separately, I will put half a spoon of sambar powder. Yeah, it's almost ready. I'll show you how delicious it looks. getting ready now. The color itself will make you feel hungry. Very colorful, you know. Carrot, butter, aloo, all this, all the colors possible. White, this paneer. Now the paneer and piyaz which I had earlier mixed and kept, I am going to put it into this. So that is ready. So this is done. So sabji is getting mixed. So the masala for for the katti roll is ready. Yeah, it is ready. As it is getting ready, very important thing is, before switching off the gas, garam masala. Ordinary garam masala. If you are allergic, please don't use. If you are not allergic, please use a little. According to your wish. Some people like lots. I don't like it. It will become typical masaledar thing. I don't want it to become masaledar. Here the taste should be of the katti roll than masala. Okay. So this is almost ready. Sabji is also ready. It has got cooked so fast. Once the sabji is ready, very important thing that you have to do is, before switching off the gas, tomato ki sabji, that is tomato, piyaz, half a spoon sambar powder, 1 pinch of chili powder, then little turmeric. Now this is good. Okay, this is good. Bellam, jaggery. Little, about 1 spoon of normal spoon. You add it, done. I'll show you how the sabji is ready, how everything is ready now. So I can start making katti roll. Now I have removed the sabji. So I am going to put the tawa. Any tawa is okay, as I told you, for this katti roll. But as I told you, any day you cook this kind of rotis, no, it is better to have iron tawa. Iron tawa is much easier. So I am transferring this masala into another vessel so that easy for me to stuff it, otherwise it will be very hot. That's the only reason I am transferring. Done. I'll show you how it looks. Looks absolutely delicious. You can add coriander on top of that, because I don't know whether small children like this coriander when it comes in their mouth while eating. If it is okay, cut coriander into small pieces and add it. See, this is the stuffing which is going to go into katti roll. See, wow, very little oil, so dry it is, healthy. Okay, you know, I put very little oil. In katti roll I have to use a little bit of extra ghee. So if you don't want ghee, you want to be careful, you can use normal oil, any oil, little bit. Okay, now my sabji is also ready. I have to show you, the sabji has come out very nice. This is one sabji which will go with, as I told you, idli, dosa, pongal, upma. If you make it very solid, it will go with bread and sandwich, anything. You have gone shopping and come home, or you have come from office late. That day, you are very tired, but your children are hungry, or you are also hungry. Just cut 1 tomato, half a piyaj. See, tomato sabji is ready. If you leave it, no, it will come together and become thick. In this also, after switching off, what I do, 1 bit of garam masala I put, very little. After switching off, that garam masala should not cook. Just exactly 1 pinch of garam masala. Whenever you add garam masala, it will become one masala that different sabji with this size. Do you see this? See the sabji. Ready for your katti roll. Come, all of you come eat. I've made enough, there are nobody to eat in my house. Chalo. Now I am going to start my roti. My belan is ready, everything is ready. I told you how to make the dough. Dough is ready. Chalo. Now, ghee ka dabba, very little, don't worry because I am taking ghee. Very little we are going to use. Veg mayo, or it can be tandoori mayo, whatever mayo flavor you like, you have it. Again, this is because it's for children, no? These children are very addicted to eating pizza and other Subway things, so that they want those flavors. That's why I add very little. Not, I don't spoil them, but at the same time, make them, encourage them to eat. It's not too much of any rich thing. I'm keeping this also ready. Ghee, mayo, stuff, artica dough, then ghee also I have kept. Everything is ready. Tawa is getting ready. Because it is a roll, now it is a katti roll, so I have to roll it. So what I did beforehand itself, I put this in a plate and I kept it ready. Like this, if you are going to make 4 or 5, keep it ready, so that you have to roll the chapati, then only it will be a katti roll. Very easy to carry when you are traveling. Sometimes you want to go by aircraft or anywhere, it's so difficult. You don't want to buy anything from outside. That time this comes very handy. I'm really telling you, it doesn't take much time. It looks as though it's a very big job. It isn't. It's very easy. Chalo, this is one gola. Bas. Nothing you have to do. Regular chapati, how you roll? Like that you roll. Bas. That's it. I'm going to make a chapati now. Oblong it is. I just put a drop of ghee. Drop. You know why? After putting a drop, I will pinch it from center. See, I'll pinch it from center. There are 2 circles. Close it. Chalo, tayar ho gaya. Now, I'm going to roll it into a regular. I told you exactly 1 drop, ghee. Zyada ghee nahi chahiye because it's not very healthy. Then already it is so heavy, such a lot of vegetables in that. So it's better you add less. Now my chapati is getting ready. It's not coming around. Roti is ready. Tawa is ready, everything is ready. I'm putting it. As I told you, like yesterday, on a dry tawa only you can put it. After putting it, immediately turn it. Okay? It's cooking. Meanwhile, pizza topping. This is, as I told you, for small children they like it as well. We may also like it, but some people, you don't want this masala smell. Now I am going to add 1/4 spoon of ghee around the chapati, not on it, and immediately turn it, and on it again 1 drop. See, I'm not 1 or 2 drops, but not more than that. It will become so rich. My roti are getting ready. I think you can see it. Roti is getting ready. The best thing is how you roll it, because it is chapati roll. See, if you don't want to make such a small chapati, you don't have time in the morning, or you are in a hurry, or you have to go to attend your office call, make a big chapati and stuff everything. Roll it, cut it and give it to your children. They will love it. They'll love it and they'll relish it. And so healthy, no much oil. 1/2 spoon oil only I used to make this. Such a lot of sabji is going to go into their tummy. They won't trouble you for 2-3 hours at least. Definitely if you take 2 chapatis. Okay, golden color. The roti is looking so nice. You know why? Because in the atta I added 1 bit of turmeric, little salt, then little LG, then also little chili. Very little, everything 1/4 spoon for 8 chapatis or 6 chapatis. Okay, now see, the roti is ready. Now what I do is, this roti, I'm taking this plate, this is the best part, this is the important part. On this, you can put ordinary cheese also, cheese spread, any cheese spread of your choice, or veg mayo, or tandoori mayo, whatever you want. Whatever flavor you like, it's not compulsory you have to go and buy this. Nothing is there, put ordinary butter also chalega. But don't make it too rich here, just little. Huh? Chalo. Now, see, this is ready. For one chapati, I'll show you how much vegetable I'm going to put. On one corner of the roti, so you can imagine such a lot of sabji goes into your children's stomach. See, in one roti. Now what I do, see, I hope you are able to see. I'm going to roll the roti. 1 and 2 bus. Only 2 rolling and bring it back to its original position. Now cover this. Are you able to see? Okay. Because it's hot. Chalo. One roll is ready. Very hot. Like that you make 4-5 rotis. It is ready. टमाटर की सब्जी भी तैयार है. After keeping it for 2-3 minutes, if they are in a hurry, open it. If your children are in a hurry, open it. Otherwise, don't open. Keep it for more time, it will get tight. Then, slice it. If they are ready to eat it as it is, fine. We elderly people don't want to eat like that. So what I do is, I take a knife and I cut it into pieces which will be easy for eating. See, because I am not going to eat it now, I have cut it, I am rolling it back. Chalo, this roti with this sabji is yummiest thing, healthiest thing and easiest thing. I am telling you easy just because, see, if your vegetables are all ready cut, it is easy. You must do it. It hardly takes 5 minutes because one chota aloo, 1/2 a carrot only I took, 1 piece of capsicum, 4-3 peas, sorry, I should say about 1 spoon of peas, green peas, then tofu paneer I took. You can take off ordinary one also, and hara dhania on top. If you put, it will be fabulous. So this is ready. Food is ready. Whoever wants can come and have it. I have lots of it. Nobody's there to eat. Okay. Bye. Thank you.